first graders. We're going to do some map work because we don't have our binders and we can't forget all of our map skills. So we're on week 27. The title of this map is Moving to the City. So before I read anything, we're just going to go ahead and look at the map like we always do. I notice we have a compass rose. Okay. I notice I have a sign here that says Welcome to Springville, population 5,000. Okay, so this must be a town here with 5,000 people. I see a few houses there. I see a van that says Moving Men. Now I'm going to look at this road here named Highway 5. And we're going to come down to this sign. It says Parker. So this town or city must be named Parker. Its population is 50,000 people. And I can tell that's bigger because the number's bigger, and I can see they have a lot more tall buildings. They're close together like cities usually do. Now I'm ready to read up here. The Brown family is moving. Mr. and Mrs. Brown have new jobs. They are leaving Springville. They are moving to Parker. So Mr. and Mrs. Brown are right here in Springville. That's where they live, and they're moving to Parker. Okay. So let's see if we can answer some questions using our map here. The map shows a town and a circle city. The Brown family is moving or playing. I would circle moving because we saw the moving van. Next question. The Brown family is leaving Parker or Springville. If I can't remember, I can go back to the map up here. It says they are leaving Springville. So I can go ahead and circle Springville. The Brown family is moving to, well, if they're leaving Springville, they must be moving to Parker. Which one is a small town? And go back and look. Springville had 5,000. Parker had 50,000. So Springville would be the small town. Parker would be the city. Let's keep going. The moving van will go on highway. See if you remember, what was the highway's name? I can't remember, so I'm going to look back to my map here. It lets me. Highway 5. And circle the 5. How many people live in Springville? Well, I remember Springville was the small one, so it must be the smaller number, 5,000. There are more people in Parker or Springville. Parker. Mr. and Mrs. Brown are moving because they have new jobs or cars. Jobs. And then we have our challenge. Would you like to live in Springville or Parker? We need to go back to the map to answer. Okay. So go ahead and think, which one would you want? Springville? If you would like Springville, you would write Springville here, and then the population is 5,000 people. If you want Parker, then you would write Parker here and write 50,000 people. So here's just a little review on maps. You don't have this at home, but you can just watch this to review your map skills.